Hopefully I've been helpful to you. I know I've been going around and just these all more videos coming. I'm gonna try to go all around the early this summer. 17th of March they say, and I'm saying to you, if you wanna, might you wanna know what your hotel look like from outside? Nice entry. Only 2 months left and then season beginning. Yeah, good enough. There's lots around it, so when you come down here you're not gonna be bored. Just
sometimes I feel weak, I can't move my feet, but now I run miles away. You left me with nothing. Someday you took my voice, the power of my melodies. I knew that this was the day. And then you took my phone to say that I'm better off running miles away.
4 blocks and a 1 block that 5 blocks together, you know. To go Ideal Prime Beach and Golden Rock Hotel is about 550. This hotel is nice. I like it. Tropical hotel. Right down the beach front. No capacity, so it's not going to be crowded the dinner time or lunch time. Ideal Prime Beach, one of the biggest hotel down the beach front.
Sometimes I feel weak, I can't move my feet. Now
Stay with me till the end of the video so you can see.
sometimes I can embrace the happy.
Mike, you need some of these while you're in the Marmaris. Did you know it is exactly the octopus statue?
You left me with nothing.
Was open. This one holiday fine dining. It has a like a sailing race every year. If you want, you can go. Lots of other shops that sell they will show you the pictures. They go different days around the coast. I'm show you what is it. So 9.75 is over 10 pound is about 20p, 89p. So there's a price like tomato. It's so nice and it's sweet dessert. Even the season, yeah, this is like a lot of things to see around here. Which one is actually your taste? The Turkey dentist so much cheaper than your teeth fixed in Turkey, or do you want to have a Da Vinci veneer?